Hey, umnikeni Mtunga lo e-FNB Stadium. I am with Mfundisi. Bari mina Mfundisi.
Rovuwa bari mina bona.
Hayi athi hambe.
Hayi dudu. Ndandona.
Pirates itihamba na Durban City. Orlando Stadium.
Yes.
Uthi umdlalo uzohamba kanjani?
What I can say is it's a grudge game.
Grudge game.
It's a grudge game.
Oh.
Why am I saying it's a grudge game?
Yeah.
We played with Durban City.
Yeah.
In the last games.
When you say we, who are you referring to?
Okay, let's say Pirates played.
Yeah.
With Durban City.
Yes.
Last season.
Yeah.
While they were expecting to beat Durban City and clinch the Premiership.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Durban City came from eThekwini.
Yeah.
Baba ready to throw anything, but phosa wonke amatch against Orlando Pirates to the High Court. Angeke indebeni iphakamisa ugame yethu.
Yeah, not in our name.
Not in our name. And bayisho lento kuphi? Esigodini.
La ngaphunywa khona.
La ngaphunywa khona. Atsazwana ushila uthi lapha awuphuma rabona. Bas kakade basinda baphuma. That's why ngithi it's a grudge game. Bese ekubineni i-captain yawo yathi Pirates is just a name. So lamagama lawa.
Yeah.
Ayenza ukuthi ama player ePirates right now abila njengamanje ukuthi come tomorrow sifuna ukubonisa umphakathi nabalandeli bePirates nabalandeli bonke bebhola ukuthi Pirates is not just a name, it's an institution.
Yeah.
It's a brand.
Yeah.
A big brand, not in Africa, in the world, and not in the world, even a panty.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a grudge game.
Yeah.
Because basodlala babeke lento le.
Yeah.
And game le ibizana wafa is a grudge game.
Yes.
Yes, ile ndlela ngiyibona ngayo. Yes.
So what can we expect from the Orlando Pirates and Durban City players right on the pitch now? What are the points that we can take home today? While we look forward to the game,
with the attacking option of 10-1 Maporis.
Yeah.
Police.
Yes.
And also with this young exciting player Kabelo Hosing and Murimi on the flanks.
Yes.
I see within 5 minutes the Durban City will begin to get the answer that the Pirates is not just a name.
Yeah.
It's not just a name. And ayazi Pirates iyabila yalwa mayibona igama MTN8 ayifuna ukulibona ligama.
Yeah.
Yathatha MTN8 kakade imangithi from 2022 ithatha lento ngokulanda until namhlanje mangikhuluma, and they don't want to sleep. No Mr. Mtunga singafaka wona uyicoach kusasa angeke uvuma
MTN8
ukuluza MTN8 amalandeli bePirates ubona ukuthi hayi la ingathi la ngeke sihamba kahle.
Yeah.
Any coach that come to Orlando Pirates iqala ngakuwina MTN8 to show that khona izinto sizayo
noma ngalanda umadondolo weChiefs ingafika
ishaya noma angathandi izulu lizohlangana because MTN8 belong to Orlando Pirates. And number 2, iChiefs ithathe kayi 15.
Yeah.
Thina sithathe kayi 14.
Yeah.
So which means Pirates will want to elude Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, they want to equal the record.
Ukuthi bangasho ukuthi ithathe kayi 4 okulandelelana.
Yeah.
Amele bathi iPirates ithathe maybe kayi 5 ngokulandelana and hiyo ithathe MTN8 kaningi. So that's why I say it's gonna be a grudge game. Ama player Durban City bazobona ukuthi Pirates is not just a name, it's a big brand.
So Durban City has this player from Orlando Pirates, Seth Green, the youth player, Seth Green, and they also have Gaston Sereno from Kaizer Chiefs, who would also like to prove a point to Chiefs and also to Pirates and to the whole world that I can still do it. So what's your comment there?
Yeah, singakhohlwa ukuthi lama player lawa uGaston Sereno, uSeth Green, also uShando I think it's there.
Yes.
They will want to they will want to prove a point.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't believe with the space of time that have been allocated to them, they might have maybe a combination play with those players. Yeah, but it's also a new team, a new environment, and a new acclimatizing for the new players. But individually, Serino will want to prove that I am still that best in the league as an attacking option. And then Shandu will also want to prove that I'm the best right back. And also will want to prove that Pirate made a mistake by releasing me. So it's a game. It's a game of it's a grudge game in a way that going back to that, the Pirate is just a name. And individually, some players will want to prove that we are there, or we are still attacking, or by you being releasing me, I still have relationship. So they want to show. They want to show that we are still there, we are still playing, and that they will want to prove a point against Orlando Pirates. And while they're proving a point, Pirates will score in the goals. And proceed to the next to the next run or next phase.
According to Mfundisi, no chance for Durban City, but it's a clutch game. We talk football, SA.